You making, Bimina?
I'm making a chicken tikka parata. So I'm gonna put the sauce on first. Now I'm gonna make all of them.
Are you gonna share with me?
Yeah. I hope it's not spicy sauce.
That's enough.
I need to spread it out on the side.
Okay. And this chicken you're gonna put in,
Yeah.
and that salad. Are you putting salad in?
Yeah. There. So, don't eat anything. We're gonna have to make it.
Okay.
Then you eat it. Because I'm
Come on, hurry up. I can't make 5 minutes with you.
Okay, done.
Put
Okay,
salad in.
now we're gonna put the salad in it. I don't know what to put this. So, let's put salad in it. This is not mine. This is someone else's. So, put the salad in it, and this salad. We're gonna have to put more salad.
You can quickly put in like this, look.
Yeah, don't. I'm making it.
Okay. Put cucumber, onion.